Okay, here is the latest and greatest. I've changed the crown molding. So the crown molding is going to return on itself on this wall right here. So what you'll see is something like that. A little harder to draw. Something like that. It's going to return on itself against this wall. It's going to return itself over here too. I'll show you that. Maybe the picture will be a little bit better so you can see what I mean. Got a refrigerator panel here. Now this is flat, so if you want me to put a door style on this panel, let me know. Maybe you do, since I learned that you want it on the island. Here's one of the panels. Now this panel here will likely be divided into two panels. It's showing one panel because of a software limitation, I believe. I've got a phone call into Ultracraft to see if I can show that in two panels. And then behind the chairs, there's a flat panel. The island chairs. On the bench seating side, I have a panel. Since we're talking about the island, there's a bank of 3 drawers here. A drawer, 2 doors. Behind the 2 doors will be 2 roll-out trays. And then I got a bank of 3 drawers here. The roll-out trays can be adjusted in height, and they can be removed from the cabinet if you want to. Because I think we were talking about maybe doing just one roll-out tray here. This is the second panel on the right side of the refrigerator wall cabinet. This is a filler right here. We've got a wall cabinet. This filler is kind of necessary so when you swing the door open, it doesn't hit this wall. Or it might still hit the wall, but I can likely put in what they call a hinge restrictor. So it only swings 90 degrees, because these doors usually want to swing beyond 90 degrees. See the crown molding. This cabinet has a recessed bottom. You can see it right there. Let's see, let's do, yeah. So the recessed bottom's right there, and that dimension is 1 1/4 inch. 1 1/4 recessed bottom. You can see that right there. Recessed bottom, 1 1/4 inch. We have that set up with 5 wall cabinets. This one has a recessed bottom, this one has a recessed bottom. There's your sink base there. We've gone from a farm sink cabinet to a regular sink cabinet. Your dishwasher's here. I've got a filler going down to the floor, to the left of the dishwasher. That way I can hold the countertop up, put a panel going across there to hold up the countertop. I believe this is a double pull-out trash. Yep, you can see the two bins in there. And of course there's a working drawer on top. This cabinet is directly to the right of your sink base. Then here is a pantry pull-out, I believe. A mini pantry pull-out. These shelves are adjustable, I believe. That's directly left of your stove. Got a microwave over the stove. Bank of 4 drawers to the right of the stove. This is your pantry cabinet. Looks like there's 4 roll-out trays in there. And I believe there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doors. So this one swings that way, this one swings that way, this one swings that way. Like so. Looks like I have another filler right here to give this door some swinging room. And I do have a filler here for the same reason. And also, I can't count on this wall at this corner to be plumb. So it gives me a little bit of scribing room. Now, the crown returning on itself is a little bit better look at that. I should draw in that line. So the crown returns against this wall. Then we have some bench seating. These are all drawers. I've got a piece of molding that goes all the way across. And the idea would be to put some 3/4 inch unfinished plywood over this so you can sit on it without sitting inside the drawer. And I would finish the raw edge of that plywood with that piece of molding. It's just a simple piece of molding. A coffee bar. Looks like we have working drawer, working drawer, working door, working door. We have a shelf, another fixed shelf, a wall cabinet with a recessed bottom, a wall cabinet with a recessed bottom. We have crown molding. And we have a cabinet that is prepared for glass. The glass is not included with this company. I usually get that locally, and I only get clear glass. So if you want something other than clear glass, then I would have to source that, or you would have to source that. But I usually just get clear glass. I'll have a separate line item for the cost of the clear glass, just in case you wanted something else. I think that covers it. Right now, the bench seating is showing a flush toe kick. I know you have a heating element in here. So if you want a recessed toe kick like you see here, then I'd want to know that prior to ordering cabinets.